abusiafo ene de ni ekokopie mu ewo wa empotemu hono ede a emmemme meche asrafo ede wo mani akwakwa akọchire hono ma chese breeding brother pa na wo mo broti memufo a wo hono mo achese me no wo kasei ede ene enkrofo mienu eho ayeden aka abura ya bro wo mu ntime ene ede wo makwakopie mu ewo ayaresabia na video a ebebeto ya pono eso ntime hu se memma mayi gina kwa ho na wo mo gina moto driver baako na chese wo mo de ne kofa wanko na nan ne ese de na enoma esi elko no na ne ese wani ensese ye ka ede echo na enchimu a efri emu eba no echese ye emema me ya na asrafo yi kira na ye ka wo mo refer to yi yellow anase mahama kombo yi ebi na chese baako wo mo efa ye na baako phone ayira enti wo mo hwehwe wo mo phone enti sa phone na wo mo hwehwe ne no ena chese enam so ama wo mo elbro enkrofo ewo empotemo ewo no mu na ebusuafo ya wa municipal penifo a wo mo ewo ewo no bi ede wo mo ensem atu eye edwam na se dem no wo ka no eye nipa mienu a wo mo affect ya na se bro no kuko wo mo ma chese wo mo dabre mu enye no ye de baako anase wo mo kwakopie mu ewo wa municipal hospital na baako a wo no ne ho ensem bai na chese no de oye 29-year-old just oye organizer onu so no oye victim of ebura ekoso ewo ehonum nu ebi na public relation officer at the Emma Upper West Regional Coordinating Council Cletus Awuni ababa bekasa na wodene nsem no etu edwan na wo kire mu ese Onyako edi efri enkrofo honum efa asrafo wo mabepie mu ewo empatamo honum a wo mo ebroti mamufo no ebi eno enam so machese wo fa phone na adwen se ene wo frɛ military commander no na wabusa ne se na eden na wo mantie yi wo mo ekire ewo ye kuro yi mu anase ye important mo ewo no na commander no ede atu idwa se wonim de ekoso na wonte de ekoso nti ono so ebe friend second in command na ene wo no so age information ede efri no se bia wono na asoma wo mo anase sen a chese abusuafo wo de ne nsem no atu idwa no wo kire mu a bra wo ye ko no na chese wo video ede ato honum se de bia ko betimi dia sende military commander no na chese asrafo yi bi ehu yi a ene eno ano no wo mo start ede wo mabufo eba no so sa de ntina wo video wo mo anase wo take pictures of womo dia womo no ene chese womo start ye de womo bufu esi ni so na womo elbro no na o se ekanyame nko a enya posini a wono na wo ho no meye DSP bia na wonam ho no a wotie mu ema womo se nipa amobo no no wo ye PRO ede Emma Upper West Regional Coordinating Council ankanya de se womo ebeja no de biara eda na ebusuafo ye baba kwakọhwe asrafo ni video ni ye ba na ye de ye papa yi ye Cletus Awuni nsem no so ato edwana se na bekohwe video no me kan mo SM Ochade Herbal Center ene so yasema ede edwumadie no ebebesomo Ochade ese yare biara aye kwankwa etewo so enam so ode nubna ne habamba ena edi eye ni dwuma entini se ye huhumu ede krampo na obetimi ayi ede efri wonum na yare bi etise diabetes ente hyewa yare ebiem so oba wo pa wo bema wo low sperm count na wo bema yi chese entimi enina so de boss na why de ene Ochade ese ehu ebehia se wonni no ebedi kasubom eno tifane number ewo screen no eso na ene no etwetwe enkomo na ebusiafo menkohwe video no embra ne ba ye beto aso
bank page ngota
and so they don't even no how? Thank God we are taking short of it. How? And so you just have to brutalize this person like this without even telling him the reason why you are even assaulting him. This is unacceptable. How? MC Lord now, you know Lord.
I don't know.
For now, said the Mukoko video, no said the Memegu Mountain, so I just want match will be a share one ties corner and no. Now, yeah, Papa, Cletus, a winning didn't some no to John on the say and what can I say? I got a call that the military personnel was brutalizing people in town. I saw they were beating everybody. In the process of inquiring why people are being beaten, I was also beaten. I called the military commander to find out what is happening, and he said he didn't know anything about what they are doing. So the commander said he wanted to call the second in command. As we were speaking, people were beaten. So I decided to take a video and send it to the commander so he sees what the boys are doing. They saw that I was filming them and they asked why I was doing that. I said I was on phone call with their commander. Then they started beating me up. They demanded that I delay the video, and I told them I won't delete it. They started using their teaser on me to delete the video. It took the intervention of one police DSP to shout at them that they are beating the PRO of the Upper West Regional Coordinating Council. Before they stopped beating me, they gave my phone back to me and I was driven to the hospital by my driver. Now, ebusia for a year, Papa Cletus Awuni, then someone would they to a jar and no na amado na ekase adebio. Eden ya na sese asrafo wo mo agide afitimamufo wa na se den ya no mpese yenye yendwane enja eye wo manyi enfa ema wo mo na sese because enche ye bia na adura omukoko pie mu e wo ho ma chese ye etututu ekoso enam so amanipa mienu eto anananom e wo ensiedo ede eka eye kaka eho a chese wo mo e wo ho nzu ebinum aprepra ye de wo mo akwakọ pie mu e wo Komfanoche Teaching Hospital wo mo je ayarehwe se be ya wo mo ebetimi ato wo mo na kwansi mutimi ekọ esa akokopie mu ewo wa na because of say ba akofo na ira say ye nukro bi entimi nche, but that was the information na eba bonten na say because of say obi fu na ira na mo hwehwe na enu nti no mo hwehwe na ebro na mo de tete wo mo say de be ya mo benya eno edia to the extent of say PRO crampo mutimi abro no crampo esa de eka ho edia na ebusuafo de na say asrafo yi wo mo pese wo mo enkyere yen ana ka dane da ye ka yes the other one no can eno ana winya say the dane da ye ka say na police for nya wo madwuma ye wo mo nya wo madwuma ye nte na ehia military room no and as say wo mo exhibit ebi e de akyere yen ana ene say yes ade ene na abusuafo yen ntu ye ho afo ni hu hawa ye di obuo ni nidie ebema ye mpanifo ana say ye security agencies no anya sa pa ade am de ekwe de eni enyan pa na to the extent of say wo mo commander kompo enim de wo mo eye dia na chese ye wo mo do before complain no ye agensem say ye toko so tolerate wo mo so wo mo nkoso na wo mo ndi wo mo dwuma say ya just because of say wo ma hu say timamfo no ensura posifo enti wo mo mom ene beba beti asim na wo mo be yese no wo di ba bro ene be kutimamfo edia na ne entweye eno dodo na ensem wo mo di etu dia wo so agye nche fa nsemi ho ene say fabra ebetu eja e too much age your comment section like videos na share all the social media platform as media and Equia Sikapa Makram.